We're on the roof at 701 Parkway, Broomall, which is Mardinley Enterprises. And they had a tree go through the roof here. Came right off that bank there. Came down and punctured the roof in numerous locations right in this area of the roof. In fact, you can see they put roof cement over top of a lot of these areas, and they're cracking open right now. And there's some areas that were never hit with roof cement, like this here, right here, and here. Just a whole bunch of areas that are still open. A couple more here, so I'm sure they're taking water. The re-roofing effort would make sense to come up to this area here, which is the peak of the roof, right here. This is where the roof pitches this way and this way, right on this seam, very close to this seam. So we're talking about doing this whole area in here, right up to the seam. We take it from the seam out 60-some feet, right out here, to where we come across to the front pent, which is over this way, right about in here, coming in this way. Even with that, to the seam, right up to the edge of the building, that corner. That's 27 squares. Now when we look at this, this had approximately 2.5 inches, 2 to 2.5 inches of wood fiber insulation. This is one of the areas that was not fixed. You can see, if you look closely, where the steel is down there. That's where the steel is, right there. And if we measure up from that point, it's right around 2.5 inches. It's actually closer to 2 to 2.5. Because it's wet and compressed, we'll call it 2.5, but it's not 3. I don't believe it's 3. So it's somewhere between 2 and 2.5 inches to marry in with the surrounding surfaces. It's a wide open roof. This equipment's going to have to come off the roof. Going to have to get rid of this snowmobile or whatever it is, and this unit here, and these bookcases. Metal edge gets replaced on this corner of the building and on the front edge, and the gutter remains. We're going to end right at that pen up there and come right across to the hip and then back this way. The only real penetration on this roof is this heat stack right here. Very vanilla job, wide open. Not a problem to get this done quickly. The owner says there's a location inside where one of the limbs went through the steel. I'm going to go back inside and check for that, and then we'll make an allowance for that. Probably one of these locations here, big enough limb just punctured the steel deck. See how much that's worth, and I'll get that in the report also. And that is pretty much it.